Sugar, a simple word, yet it conjures up images of sweetness and delight. But have you ever stopped to think about the journey sugar takes? From the field to your table, it's a fascinating process, a delicate dance of nature and technology. Join me now as we unravel the secrets of sugar production. We'll journey to vast plantations where sugarcane sways gracefully in the breeze. We'll witness the awesome power of modern machinery as it harvests the cane with precision and speed. Our adventure will take us inside bustling factories where the air hangs heavy with the sweet scent of sugar. We'll see how raw sugarcane is transformed into the sparkling crystals we know so well. Get ready to discover the hidden world of sugar production, a testament to human ingenuity and nature's bounty. This is the story of sugar, a journey as sweet as the final product itself. Our journey begins with a single seed, a tiny promise of sweetness to come. Sugarcane, a tall grass native to tropical regions, needs fertile soil, abundant sunshine, and plenty of water to thrive. Farmers carefully prepare the land, ensuring the perfect conditions for growth. But it's not just about traditional farming methods anymore. Technology plays a crucial role in modern sugarcane cultivation. Precision farming, using satellites and sensors, helps farmers monitor crop health with incredible accuracy. They can identify pests and diseases early on, minimizing crop loss and reducing the need for pesticides. Drones equipped with special cameras soar over the fields, providing detailed images of the growing plants. This allows farmers to optimize irrigation, ensuring each plant receives the perfect amount of water. Technology is transforming the way sugarcane is grown, making the process more efficient and sustainable. It's a perfect harmony of nature and innovation, all in pursuit of the sweetest reward. The sugarcane field stretches far as the eye can see, a sea of green swaying gently in the breeze. The time for harvest has arrived, and with it comes a display of technological prowess that is both impressive and awe-inspiring. Gone are the days of back-breaking manual labor. Today, giant machines rule the fields. These mechanical behemoths, known as sugarcane harvesters, are engineering marvels. With their towering wheels and intricate systems of blades and conveyors, they make quick work of the harvest. A single harvester can cut, strip and chop up to 60 tons of sugarcane per hour, a testament to the efficiency of modern agriculture. Watch as the harvester moves effortlessly through the field, its rotating blades slicing through the thick stalks of sugarcane with surgical precision. The leafy tops are stripped away and deposited back onto the field, returning vital nutrients to the soil. The cut sugarcane, now in smaller, more manageable pieces called billets, is then transferred onto waiting trailers, ready for their journey to the factory. This is the sugarcane harvest of the 21st century, a symphony of technology and precision. Section 4, From Field to Factory, a journey of transformation. The air buzzes with anticipation as the trailers, laden with freshly harvested sugarcane, arrive at the factory gates. This is where the real magic begins. The transformation of raw sugarcane into the sparkling crystals we know as sugar. The journey from field to factory is a carefully orchestrated process, designed to minimize waste and maximize efficiency. The sugarcane is weighed upon arrival, a crucial step in monitoring yield and productivity. Huge cranes then unload the cane from the trailers, their powerful arms moving with surprising grace. The sugarcane is then fed into a shredder, a machine that resembles a giant food processor. Here, the cane is chopped into even smaller pieces, increasing its surface area and preparing it for the next stage of the process extraction. The air is thick with the sweet, earthy scent of sugarcane, a tantalizing hint of the sweetness to come. This is just the beginning of the journey, a fascinating glimpse into the industrial heart of sugar production. Section 5. The magic of extraction from cane to crystals. We enter now the heart of the sugar factory, a realm of heat, steam, and the intoxicating aroma of sugarcane. Here, the true alchemists of the sugar world work their magic, transforming raw plant matter into pure sweetness. The shredded sugarcane is fed into a series of massive rollers where it's crushed under immense pressure. The juice, rich in sucrose, is squeezed out, leaving behind a fibrous residue known as bagasse. This bagasse, far from being waste, is a valuable byproduct, often used as fuel to power the factory itself. The extracted juice, a cloudy green liquid, undergoes a series of purification steps. Lime is added to neutralize acidity and the juice is heated to remove impurities. The clarified juice is then boiled in huge evaporators, transforming it into a thick syrup. This syrup, now highly concentrated with sugar, is then sent to the crystallizers where the magic truly happens. As the syrup cools, tiny sugar crystals begin to form, sparkling like 1,000 tiny diamonds. The journey from sugarcane to sugar crystals is nearly complete. Section 6. Refining sweetness, a symphony of purity. The raw sugar crystals, still slightly brown and sticky from molasses, now embark on their final journey, a journey of refinement and purification. This is where the sugar achieves its dazzling whiteness and pristine purity. The raw sugar is first mixed with a sugar syrup, a process known as affination, which helps remove any remaining impurities. The mixture is then spun in centrifuges, much like a washing machine on high speed. This spinning action separates the sugar crystals from the remaining molasses, resulting in a lighter, purer sugar. The sugar crystals are then dried and cooled, their sparkling whiteness a testament to the meticulous refining process. They are then graded according to size and quality, ensuring that only the finest crystals make it to your table. The refined sugar is then packaged, ready to be shipped to consumers around the world. Every step of this process, from the initial crushing to the final packaging, is a testament to human ingenuity and our endless quest for sweetness. Section 7. Sustainability in sweetness, a responsible journey. As our journey through the world of sugar production comes to an end, it's important to acknowledge the industry's commitment to sustainability. Sugarcane, a remarkably renewable resource, is increasingly being cultivated with the environment in mind. Many sugar mills have embraced the principles of a circular economy, minimizing waste and maximizing resource utilization. Remember the bagasse, that fibrous residue left over after juice extraction? It's now being used as a renewable fuel source, powering the very factories that produce the sugar. Furthermore, advanced irrigation techniques such as drip irrigation are minimizing water usage in sugarcane cultivation. Technology once again plays a crucial role, helping farmers optimize irrigation schedules and reduce water waste. The sugar industry's commitment to sustainable practices ensures that we can continue to enjoy the sweet taste of sugar, knowing that it's been produced with respect for our planet. It's a sweet ending to a fascinating journey.